I'm so glad you're back, Divine Detox Goddesses. I'm Christine Odell, and this is day 4 of our Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. Today is another learning day, so I'm going to give you an overview of why it's so important to incorporate healing foods and behaviors into your detox plan. Then tomorrow, on day 5 of our challenge, I will guide you through an action step to actually apply what you learn in this video so you can incorporate at least one healing food, one healing behavior, and one healing emotion to help you make progress this week on your detox success path. So let me make this really simple today. When I speak of healing foods, I'm talking about a plant-based diet that consists of only fruits and vegetables. For really effective detoxification and regeneration, a raw vegan and high fruit diet is going to get the quickest and deepest results. Now, that doesn't mean you should just jump right into that level of detox, especially if you are at the beginning of your detox and healing journey. Unless you are in a life-threatening situation, transitioning to this diet by taking baby steps will get you where you want to go on your detox path. So this is what the Divine Detox Diet is all about. You can start out by eliminating a few of those harmful foods we talked about in the last video, and I hope you've watched that video and filled out the template in the handout. At the same time you are removing those harmful foods, you can replace them with a few healing foods. If you aren't already a raw vegan yet, just transition to fruit and cooked veggies. But your ultimate goal is to incorporate fruits until you get to about 80% of your diet being fruits and 20% of your diet being veggies, raw or cooked. And nothing else, because any other foods will be acid forming, hard to digest, and will not facilitate a proper detox. Only fruits and veggies that are alkaline forming in your body can create an environment that allows your cells, tissues, and organs to be in an optimal state of health. In the next video and the handout, I'll give you a detailed list of the most healing fruits and veggies. For now, some great fruits to eat are citrus, melons, grapes, berries, and mangoes. Some great veggies to incorporate are tender greens and the fruit-like veggies such as avocados, tomatoes, zucchini, peppers, and celery. So let's also talk about incorporating positive behaviors and emotions during your detox. In the last video and handout, you filled in the foods, behaviors, and emotions you want to work towards removing from your life so you get better detox results. So now you want to choose the healing foods and behaviors that can eventually crowd out those harmful ones. Now, be patient with yourself and the process. This doesn't happen overnight. And if you go too fast, you may trigger a healing crisis and just create unnecessary stress. Don't forget, consistent baby steps will get you there. You want to make a slow, safe, and steady transition to the Divine Detox diet and lifestyle. That is how you do what I call a proper detox. Just think of yourself as a turtle, taking your time. Every healing behavior you incorporate makes a positive impact on your health. So here's the short list of behaviors and emotions that will help you get awesome results on your detox success path. No matter how you feel, make each day count by embracing feelings of gratitude. You have found the Divine Detox diet and this wonderful detox protocol created by Dr. Robert Morse, and you know in your heart that it is what can finally heal you for good. And get up every day and embrace positive behaviors that will move you just a little farther on your detox journey, like planning out your detox diet, committing to stick to it, reading your detox why each day, getting plenty of rest, reducing stress and exposure to digital media, and by loving yourself all the way to radiant health. More tomorrow, detox goddesses. You are making awesome progress, and I'm proud of how you are rocking your detox this week. So I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.